Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Welcome to another session. And today we are live here in New York. Technically, not in New York, but we're live for the New York session. Um, Waiting on our 8:30 candle. It's gonna start in 1 minute. Okay. So looking at everything pre-market, let me erase my previous. All right. So pre-market, higher time frame. I spotted this point of interest up here, right up here. All right, as you can see, the market had been coming down last night. All right, just waiting for a few people to come on. So we had a pre-market. Let's go to 1 hour. See right up in there. Actually, I want to do this. You know what? I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there. Let me see, 2 hour. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna keep it there. 2 hour. All right, 15 minutes. Now, what I'm looking for price to come up into here. See, we have another small one right here, 15. Maybe something like this. But I'm looking for that 8:30 candle to do something perhaps into here, or maybe even go a little bit higher. All right, let's go back. Okay, sound like my long guys here. All right. Let's see what we get, baby. Oop. Let's see what happens. 8:30 candle is currently open. Have a low here. All right, this is the low of the 8:30 candle. As you can see, there's really no point of interest down here for it to hit. Let me see. 1 hour. Nope. So my thought is that it's going to go up into here. But let's just watch and see. We gotta be patient. Yeah, nobody clocked on yet. I don't know what's happening. Hold on 1 second. Mhm. Y'all know if y'all trade it's a lot of times it's a waiting game. Just waiting for stuff to develop. And look, see it already tapped into the bigger zone right here on the 30-minute. Y'all see that? It already tapped into it. All right. But we want the whole candle to form. What I want to see is, all right, I want to see the whole candle form and I want to see that breakout. Got my big brother coming on. So we probably can take this trade right now.
What's up, brother?
Yo, what's up, big brother?
Chilling.
For sure, for sure. I'm looking at this setup right here, waiting for this. I was just saying we probably can take this trade right now because I'm looking to sell it coming down.
Yeah,
And we probably can take it right now, but I want to stick to my rules. I want to stick to my trading rules. And that's something that you always want to do when you trade. You want to always stick to your rules.
yeah,
All right. Because they made them your rules for a reason. All right. Now,
right.
once it's over with, and if you get in and lose if you get in the trade and you lose it, or if you miss the trade, then you can always go back and refine it. All right. Like we got Caleb coming on with us this morning.
What's up, Mr. Devin? You
Caleb,
hear
what's
me?
happening, big brother?
What's up? I ain't gonna lie, I was in your YouTube live because I was looking at the chat this morning, but you when you say you were going 8, I didn't know you were going like later on.
Oh
I was
yeah.
looking
Well,
at the chat.
I
Yeah.
wanted to, I wanted to get up early because I needed to go to Walmart, but
Oh,
I
okay,
slept a
got you.
little. I've been sleeping a little bit later, and I woke
Yeah,
up. So
I didn't want to interrupt. I didn't know, my bad if
nah,
I
you good,
interrupted you,
bro.
but
You good? You
hmm
good? Yeah, because I'm streaming live on YouTube right now too,
I
and
know that was me watching it
well, all right.
at
I and
first.
see. I can't even see the YouTube if anybody asking questions.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah, but I'm
Yeah,
looking
I
at
got.
this. All right. So I marked the 8:30 candle. I marked the high of it so far. We
hmm
got a high, and hold on a second. All right. So we got a high of the 8:30 candle. It already tapped into our point of interest. We probably can take that trade from here, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take it. And look, a good indication. See how it's tapping on that 50 EMA right there? See that white
Yeah,
line? See how it's tapping on that? Dog, this gonna come down. And it's gonna give us a lot of money on this today. I probably can get in right here. Let me see. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm tempted to get in it. Yeah. It's kind of too far away right now. It's too far away. If I was gonna get in, if I was gonna get in, I should have got in while it was still up here. But that don't mean nothing because remember, we always can get in on pullbacks. See this right here? See this big old move right here?
mm-hmm.
I could have got in this move right at this order block right here. And look what happened. It dropped. All right. But if you miss a move, always wait for it to pull back. It's gonna pull back. All you gotta do is wait. Plus, on top of that, we still got this little order block up here. All right. If we go to the 1 hour, see on the 1 hour, we got this little order block right here with this fair value gap, and we broke structure right there. All right. So I'm still looking for this to push up, sweep the high of the 8:30 candle, push up into this zone right here, and then start coming
Yeah,
out. Once it pushes
come
up
on.
into this zone, it's game on.
Okay.
I'm looking for it to sweep this candle. Once it sweep this candle, that's gonna be our liquidity sweep that I'm looking for. All right. Push up into
Let's
this
see.
zone, this little smaller zone that's inside the bigger one, and then look for it to come down. All right.
Let's see.
Hold on 1 second.
All right.
All right. But yeah. So right now it's pretty much a waiting game. Now, we could enter this because now I do this on a 30-minute time frame. All right. But remember, the market open, New York open at, well, I wait for the 8:30 open. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So we could get in on the 15-minute time frame as well. We could mark the 15-minute chart, the 15-minute candle. All right. Because we already got our point of interest right up in here. I prefer the 30-minute though. So I'm going to stick with 30-minute. So once this candle is finished, it's still got 22 minutes left on it. All right. I'm going to look for it to break out the top, tap into here, and then come down. Something like this. Excuse me, y'all. Yo, that's my lawn guy. If y'all hear the lawnmower in the background,
For sure.
he came like right as I started doing this, right as I got on Zoom. All right. Let's look at now this is the S&P 500 that we're looking at. All right. Let's take a look at um let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ should be doing something similar. Let me erase all of this. All right. So look, see what the NASDAQ is doing? This is on the 1 hour. The NASDAQ is already It's ready. The NASDAQ is about to drop. That's why I say we gonna make some money. We gonna make some money today. We gonna make some money today on sell, either selling NASDAQ or selling the S&P 500. One of them. This is getting ready to drop. Both of them. Look, see, it already tapped into it. So the fact that it tapped into it, let me go back to S&P. I might be able to get in on a pullback on S&P on a 15-minute. Let's see. I'm gonna mark my 15-minute candle and see what happens. All right. See, we got this low right here. See,
Mhm.
Shaq, remember we was talking about market structure when it breaks the structure
Yeah.
in the pullback? Look, see how it came up and it started coming down. It ended up breaking structure. It broke this over here. All right. Drop. It broke this low over here. It broke all these little lows. It came, pulled back up, and then look, boom, it just broke this structure right here too. And now it's pulling back. All right. So on that pullback, remember the Fibonacci, if I pull out my fibs, let's see, my fib gonna tell me where I might get an entry from. In between the two yellow lines, remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
6972, look why it spiked up right at that 62. So that probably was my entry right there. So that's letting me know I can probably get in earlier than I wanted to, or earlier than expected. I'm not gonna say that I wanted to. So I'm gonna go down to the 5-minute time frame, and I'm gonna look for something. Hold on. All right, yeah, I'm gonna look for something. I'm gonna look and see what happens. I don't know. I'm still kind of expecting that sweep though, out the top. If this start pulling all the way back, I think we're gonna get that sweep that I'm looking for. If not, I'm gonna just wait for a pullback entry. That's one thing. You don't have to be in a rush to get in the trade. It's always gonna give you second opportunities. All right. You miss, like, see how we missed this one right here? If I had caught this trade, if I had caught this trade right from there, we'd be up a nice little bit already. Let me
Hey,
see.
good morning.
Hey, what's up, Anna? How you doing?
Doing good, and you?
I'm good. Hey, can y'all hold on a second? I need to go open the my backyard for my lawn guy. I'll be right
Okay.
back.
Okay.
I'll be right back. I'll just give me a few minutes.
Alrighty.
I'm back, you guys. Let me
Alright.
let me readjust my pillow on my sofa so I can get comfortable again. All right. There we go. All right. Man, y'all see how that's running? Let me see. Let me see. Let me look at the money on this. If I had got in right there, if I get in right there, 6298.75, 98.75, and it came down to, let's see, 6280. Look at that. We'll be up. It'd have been up $937 already in less than 15 minutes. Come on, y'all. Y'all tell me, where are we gonna make that kind of money at?
Right.
Who paying that? Who? Because these plants ain't paying it. Show not. They ain't paying it in 15 minutes, $937. In 15 minutes, multiply that times 4 and you got your hourly pay. All right. So the 15-minute candle is done. All right. I'm waiting for a pullback. That's what I'm waiting for. This is kind of too far gone. I want to see it pull back. So once it pulls back, it's going to give me a better entry for a stop loss. All right. So I want to see it pull back. The 30-minute candle is still active though. All right. 30-minute candle still active. Today is Friday. Something that I notice on Fridays, sometimes our move might come a little bit late. All right. So today we're just gonna be patient. And look at this. I think it will pull back. We have another little order block right down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. Right here. See this little white candle right here? Right there.
Yeah.
So it's tapping in that. Now, if it breaks through this, I'm gonna look for it to pull back somewhere up to here. All right. But we just be patient. We just be patient. All right. Now, while we're waiting on that candle, let's see what we got going on. Let's look at what NQ is doing. NQ probably moving. No, NQ still doing the same thing that ES is doing. All right. Let's look at gold. All right. As we can see, gold is bullish. Let's look at the gold on the 15. So this was the 15-minute candle on gold. Look, now gold look like it's giving us a trade on the 15-minute. Watch this. So this was the 15-minute candle right here. The high, that's 8:30. That's the 8:30 15. The 8:30 candle is done. It didn't break out, but look at what happened. It's bullish. Y'all recognize this fair value gap right here? Caleb, Anna, Shaq. I know Shaq, you might not recognize it yet.
Yes, sir, I see it.
See that fair value gap? Pull back into it. Let's go to the 5-minute. Look at what's happening. Starting to pull away from it. So gold look like it's giving gold look like it's giving a buy. Let's see. If I do something like that, put this down here. Excuse me. And then look at what that EMA is. Right down here. See that 50 EMA? Now, I want to go to the higher time frame now. I want to look for my target. So we got these highs over here. So that's what I would probably target. Probably this high right here. I want to see this. This would be my target right there. And that is 3376.9. Now I'm not taking this trade on gold because I'm waiting for ES. But let's just see how it plays out. 5-minute. And this could drop a little. I got this down here, but it could drop a little bit lower. I'm gonna put it down here. That's a big old stop loss. It's huge. All right. I'm gonna just put it back over here. That's a huge stop loss. All
Wait,
right.
and what a target at again
Huh?
for that one? What a target at again for that one? Oh, I see it right there,
33.76.
33.76. Uh-huh.
And let's see if we look at the money on that with one contract, 33.76.9, that would be $1,200.
Mm.
Right around 12. Hold on. If I enter at there, yeah, about right at 12, 1,300, somewhere. Well, right at 13, right under 1,300.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Like I said, once again, who's paying that? Who around here paying that? Y'all seeing this line?
Nobody, to be honest with you.
Hmm?
I said nobody really.
Nope. Nobody. Nobody paying that. All right. And let's look at silver, my favorite, or my second favorite. Put it like this, one of my favorites. That's silver. 15-minute candle right here. Now, see, I don't like what silver is doing. It's just consolidating right now. You really don't see no kind of entry area for silver. So I probably wouldn't have messed with silver.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, the only things I'm really seeing is gold. I want this to go up and hit that target so y'all can actually see this. Gold, NQ. Look, you see how I went back up there, NQ? Let me look at ES. Look at that. It's what I told y'all. That's that pullback. That's that pullback. Come on, man. That's that pullback. Now it could pull back into this rejection wick here. I'd rather see it sweep and go up into here. Man, come on, bro. Man, they call me the tick whisperer, man. Now I might be able to take a trade from here. I really want to see it go into here. I'm gonna just be patient. I'm gonna be patient. Patience is key. All right. We got 10 minutes left on, or 8 minutes left on this candle, this current candle. 8 minutes left on it. All right. I'm going to mark the low of this candle right here. And I'm going to start getting ready. If this breaks out this candle, I'm telling y'all. And we thank God for the skills that he blessed us with to be able to find these trades as well. Because without him, none of this is possible. Amen.
Amen.
Mm.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna start setting up sell. I know my target. My target, my target would be probably this low right here. But I don't even need to go down that low because I'm only looking to make 1,500. And the reason is because of my 50% consistency rule. All right. So I already put in my target 1,500 right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right. You could put in a price target or a profit target. All right. Depending on where your price target is. If my price target is lower than I need it to be. Now, if this was this here, I'm letting you know this is my last another evaluation account that I'm doing. All right. So I'm trying to get funded on this one. But if this was my live account, my target would be way down there because I don't have to like that. There's no throttle on you once you get to your funded account. You can make however much you want, but you're kind of limited in evaluation. All right. So that's why I'm only targeting 1550. There we go, 1550. Look, see how it's starting to push up? Let's go down to the 5 minute. And I'm going to reset my chart. There we go. All right. So now let's see. I want to see this breakout. I want to see it break out this high. I want to see it tapping up here. And then once it tap in up there, I'll be ready to sell. Let me see. If I get in at 63.0275, let me see. I just want to see how much my stop loss will be. 0.75. And I put my stop at 63.11.5. 11.5. 437. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until price get inside there before I actually execute this trade. Because I don't really want a big stop. Hey y'all, give me 1 second. Let me send this to this. Let me send this Zelle right quick. Before I forget. That's what I don't want to do. Give me 1 second, 1 second. Do this now. You. See a candle is pushing a little harder. All right. All right, you guys. Let me lock my card back. I don't know if y'all do the same thing, but every time I use my card and I'm done with it, I like to lock it.
Yeah.
They got some thieves out there, boy. Man,
Yeah, me too.
man, look. Somebody tried to use my credit card to buy a $1,300 gaming computer, bro.
That's
Bro,
indeed.
Lord.
bro, somebody in Cambridge, bro. They tried to send it to a house in Cambridge. Then they used my name, Devin Baptiste, with a Cambridge address. I don't even live in Cambridge. Bro, I'm like, look at this shit. The house looked like it's being worked on. I know it was somebody with a skimmer. Probably somebody that working on the house.
Yeah,
I had a mind to drive over there. I'm like, nah, I'm trying to get in no kind of trouble. Because you know them youngsters these days, bro. And not even just the youngsters, bro. They got a lot of ignorant older folks too.
Big time.
right.
Yeah, bro.
Big time.
Yep.
And
I'm
I'm
like,
gonna
bro,
be
that don't make no sense, man. That's why I'm glad my card was locked.
yeah.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. But it's all good. See, bro, the Holy Spirit be letting you know.
Amen.
Right.
The Holy Spirit be letting you know. Something had told me lock your card. I locked it too.
Hmm. Man, Apple be taking like $10 out your account every month for something.
Ooh, Apple?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I don't know why they taking money out of my account because like I'm not even purchasing a whole bunch of stuff. But
Yeah.
like I'm only purchasing my Apple Music, but it's like it's not gonna take money out whenever it's just gonna let me know because I
Yeah.
ain't got my card linked up to it. So
Uh-huh.
I don't know why they keep taking money, but every like
Every
all the
month.
time,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, almost every month.
Yeah.
Yeah, it used to be almost every month. I
Bro,
guess it
look.
stopped when I took the card out.
Yeah. When I had my iPhone, they used to do the same thing to me from the Apple, what is music or whatever? Not music, Apple, the App Store or whatever. Whatever it's called.
Yeah,
Yeah, Apple used to do the same thing to me, bro. And that's why I'm glad with Android, you ain't gotta pay for all that like you do with Apple.
bro.
I like my Android. Yes, indeed. Google got the Google Play Store. You only pay for the app if you want to buy it, but they got
Yeah,
a ton of free apps.
Yeah, I
So
can't rock with that iPhone stuff, man. That's out my league, man.
iPhone.
Yeah, I mean, I never, I never got into it, man. I saw my homeboys had them, and I
Yeah,
wasn't interested. Like it just, man, I don't want to have to pay for everything, bro. Like that don't make
yeah,
sense to me,
right.
you know?
Man, Apple and took the man, Apple make you pay for them and everything.
Yeah, that's what I hear. What I hear.
Hmm.
I'm trying to see what's the like what is the big allure that you're willing to go through that just to have Apple phone? Like what makes Apple great? Like I don't know because I've never had one.
Yeah, I had one. The last iPhone I had was the 3GS. And that was they on like the what 16, 17 right now.
Yeah, that's back in the gap.
Yeah.
That was way back in the gap.
Right.
I mean, long, bro. I don't think DJ was even born when I had that iPhone. Was he? Was he? I don't know. I don't think he was. But yeah, I got rid of it and never went back. I like the camera. I like my Samsung Galaxy phones.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I like the cameras. The cameras be nice, boy.
Yeah, I remember I seen a recording y'all camera. Oh man,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, them,
But
y'all
them
camera be
Samsung cameras
fire.
nice.
man, look, the I got a Galaxy. What is this? A S23 Ultra. Man, that thing
Hmm.
got a zoom. But I zoomed and took a picture of the moon. Oh, that thing was beautiful, bro.
Yeah. And what they on the 26 now, huh?
20, I think so.
S26?
I think they are. Because I had a Note 9 before this. And
Yeah.
man, that thing lasted me a long time. And it had so
Yeah.
much space on it. What that them
Yeah.
notes?
I had a note too, man. I liked it.
Yeah, bro. I like the notes, bro.
Yep.
But it got to I had it so long, I'm thinking the people might have hit that little button or that kill button on it. And man, it just died on me, bro. I
Right.
couldn't turn it on, couldn't do nothing. So I contacted Verizon and tell them like, man, something wrong with my phone. It just died on me. And I had a free upgrade. Man, I didn't even have to use it. They sent me another they sent me this 23 Ultra for free. I didn't even have to use my upgrade either. So I still got my upgrade. So I'm like, man, I got a perfectly good phone. Why am I use my upgrade right now?
Right. That's
Then
kind
I
of
get
like them big 7.3 engines that they don't make anymore because nobody needed to, buy other trucks because them engines were so good. They stopped making
uh-huh.
them. They're losing money.
Yep. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Look, see how we starting to push up? It's 9 o'clock now. It's 9 o'clock. Oh now
Hmm.
it's that action about to start happening. All right. So it's 9 o'clock. Our 8:30 candle has finished. It's closed. I want to see this break out the top, come into this zone. See how it's pushing up toward the top? I'm telling
You
y'all,
see?
bro. Watch something. Watch the magic. Now it's just a matter of just being patient and waiting.
That's where the patient comes, huh?
Yeah. Yep. You watching Anna? Anna, you still with
Yeah, I'm watching.
all right. Wait, we got 4 people on?
Yeah.
Who else? Oh, me, I'm the fourth person.
Yeah.
I'm tripping. I'm like, wait, I thought it was 4 people besides me. All right. But let's see now. It's that 8:30, it's that 8:30 candle strategy that I ain't gonna say I created. I'm gonna say God blessed me with.
That's it.
Man, it's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna say it's crazy. It's amazing how see when it comes to trading, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's like God gives me whatever I want, any information I want, bro. I sit down and like every night I sit down before I go to bed and I pray. I go in my bathroom, close the door, and we got some steps on our tub. I sit on the steps. I talk to God. I pray. And I ask God to show me things in trading. Show me what I need to be doing. Show me the strategy I need to be trading. Bro, I'm telling you. And I was watching, after I did that, I was watching the YouTube video. This guy was talking about was called candle range theory. I tried it before and it was, I had mixed results with it. Man, so I'm sitting down and I know it was nobody but God put it on my mind. He was like, think about the 8:30 candle. The 8:30 candle. Why is the 8:30 candle, the New York Open, so important? That 8:30 candle is like, it's gotta be something with that 8:30 candle. So then he told me again, use that candle range theory with the 8:30 candle, but don't do it exactly like how he do it. The 8:30 candle is gonna tap into some kind of point of interest, either order block or a fair value gap. It's gonna take some kind of, it's gonna do something. He was like, mark out that 8:30 candle and watch it. See what it's doing. I was like, all right. Man, I went in my charts and I started testing it. Oh my goodness. When I tell you it was amazing, bro, I'm like, how did I not see this before? Man, I started back testing it. I mean, and it was working like a charm. That's how I was able to make that 1350 yesterday. 1350, yeah, 1350 on yesterday. If I had did the same thing with Bitcoin the last 3 days, I don't know who I told that to. I think that was you, Shaq
No,
last.
Yeah.
Dog, I'd have been up like $45,000 on Bitcoin.
Yeah, you told me
you,
I told
15.
you too,
yeah,
Anna?
Yeah,
All
you
I
right.
told
saw.
So
me
I told all
also.
three of y'all. I told all three of y'all, all right. Man,
Hmm.
in 3 days, it was 15,000 each day.
Damn.
Like crazy. But the only thing, Bitcoin futures is dangerous, man. Bitcoin futures, it moves so wild. You blow your whole account on one trade, trading Bitcoin futures. That's just the way it moves. Like it's Bitcoin futures move super wild. So I said I won't build my account up to about 100,000 before I even do that, mess with Bitcoin futures. And then still if I mess with it, it's not gonna be often, you know.
Right.
Get a good get in one and let it sit, make about 15, 20,000, maybe a little bit more than that, you know. Because it don't have to move that much for you to make a lot of money on it. And only with one contract. All right. But we still waiting patiently for this ES. Let's look at NQ again. Look, NQ in there. NQ in there. I'm wondering if it's going to push up higher. I'm wondering if it's going to push up into here somewhere. It's quite possible. Let me see. It's quite possible that it will push up into here. Let me go back to ES. If NQ push up there, ES probably will push up either into here or maybe a little bit higher. We don't have any news coming out right now. Let's look at silver. See, silver still pushing up. Oh, gold. Gold the one I wanted to see. All right. So gold, look, gold gave us an entry. We could have took the gold trade. Let's go down to the one. So gold, so this was the candle here, the low to the high. Hold on, let me see. Actually, gold hadn't gave us nothing yet. But it did tap into, gold had already tapped into it, into that point of interest right here. All right. Let's see, 5 minute, 15. I wonder if gold gonna give us one little swoop down and then go up. But it's consolidating right now. So really, I wouldn't even touch it. See how these candles moving sideways pretty much?
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's that consolidation. Shaq, that's that consolidation I was telling you about.
Yeah.
We don't want to trade consolidation. All right. Now, if it breaks out, I would look at it down here. I would see it break out to the bottom side. See, now I would adjust my entry down to here somewhere because we got fair value right up in here. So I would want to see it break out on the bottom side. That'll be like manipulation and then go up. All right. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All right. And look, if we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade today. All right. What we're not gonna do is force a trade. All right. We're not gonna force it. Now, see, it's a good thing I didn't take this trade when I said. That's why when I told y'all we play about we stick to our rules. That's why we stick to our rules. Because even though this came down here, look at what happened. It went all the way back up. Y'all see that?
Mm-hmm.
I imagine if I had taken this trade, we'd have been all happy and excited just for it to come back up. We'd have been in close to our stop loss right now. Well, no, not close to it. We'd have been close to our entry where we entered the chart at, entered the trade at. All right. That's why we be patient. We wait for the breakout. It might look like it's gonna run away on you. Be patient. And even if it runs away, it's gonna come back and give you another opportunity. All right. Patience is one of the most important things when it comes to trading. All right. One of the most important things. If you don't have patience, you're not going to be a successful trader. You can't be a successful trader.
That's
Patience, huh?
I was saying that's important, man. Like even though I'm just starting, but I remember a story a guy was telling me like years ago, and when he was getting into trading, I don't know what he was trading, but
Hmm.
he would emphasize that patience thing because he said he took so many losses being impatient
Yep.
when he first started because he did, you know what I'm saying? He was doing it on his own. Like he was learning on his own. Like I'm
Right.
blessed to have you to show us, what's going on through your experience. But
Uh-huh.
yeah, that's true, man. Patience,
Yeah. Man, look, in me too. I done took so many losses just being impatient,
being impatient, huh?
thinking and another thing, it's called FOMO, fear of missing out, just
Right,
like
Mm-hmm.
this trade that, excuse me, just like how this was dropping, and I said, oh, we could have got in here. We could have got in
right,
here. That would have been FOMO if I would have entered right there. And that's
right.
why I told y'all, no, let's wait. Let's wait and be patient. We're gonna stick to our rules. If we stick to our rules and we still lose the trade, I can live with that. Because we did what we were supposed to do.
Right.
All right. We did what we were supposed to do. The market just had other plans.
Is there any time with experience, of course, but is there any time where you see something and you ever think you have an impulse to go away from your rules? Like,
All
is
the
it?
time, big brother. All
Yeah,
the time. All the time. All the time. Especially, let me tell you, I was thinking, I was driving yesterday, and I mean, trading is on my mind a lot because, I mean, obviously, that's what I do. I want to be great at it. I was thinking yesterday, and I was like, man, a lot of traders lose. The traders that lose the most are the traders that's that's um that's trying to become profitable. They're the ones that lose the most. The traders that's profitable, they don't lose. And I'm thinking, I'm like, why is that? I'm like, think about it. I'm driving and I say, think about it. The traders that's making money, they're not in a rush to make more money because they got a pocket full of money right now.
right,
So
right,
they're not like, they don't feel as though, oh man, I gotta do this. I gotta make this. I got this bill I need to pay. I got this such and such, whatever that I need to pay. You know what I'm saying? They got money. They sitting on money. So they don't have to be in a rush. A lot of the traders that's losing, they losing because of the situation that they're in. They feel like I gotta make this money. I gotta feed my family. I gotta pay this bill. My house gonna get foreclosed on if I don't do this. That's
right,
how they feeling. So they rushing, taking trades that they're forcing trades. They're taking trades they don't need to be taken, right? And honestly, bro, I was in that situation. I was in that situation. And I had to really sit down and think about it. Like, regardless as to what the situation is, you have to be patient because if you keep forcing the trades, you're not going to become profitable. You have to trade like you already got it. You know, you have to do that. You have to be patient like the big boys.
Right.
They're gonna sit there and wait until they set up. If it's not they set up, they're not trading. And that's what we have to do. We gotta put our minds in that. And just like what you said, what you asked the question, if there's ever a point where it's impulse, you want to, bruh, all the time. It's all the time.
Okay.
Because especially like when you go on a big winning streak, man, I remember I went on a winning streak for like 3 weeks. Bruh, I hadn't lost a trade in 3 whole weeks. That's when I was trading Forex. I hadn't lost a trade in
Mm.
3 whole weeks, bro. I thought I was invincible. Man, I just look at the chart, boom, get in the trade, selling, is making money. I'm talking about killing shit, bro.
Yeah.
I'm like, I really thought I was the GOAT. And guess what happened? The market is gonna humble you so fast.
Hmm.
And that's exactly what happened. The market humbled me so quick, bro. It happens quick. And then you sitting down with your head spinning like, what the hell just happened? You know? Bro, let me tell you something. You ever lost a $20,000 trading account?
No.
20K? $20,000. I ain't talking about this prop firm money. I'm talking about your own money.
Mm. Mm. Well, that
I'm
hurt my
talking
heart.
about the money that you work hard for.
Yeah.
Bro, when I say it's a humbling experience, it's a humbling experience. It'll humble you super quick. You ain't got, bro. When I tell you I've put not really blood, but sweat and tears into this,
Mm.
and a lot of tears too. A lot.
Yes, indeed.
I'm gonna be telling me all that, the whole story.
Hmm. Man, look, I
It
sat
take
down.
it take years to do this though, cause it take years to really do anything, you know?
Man, I'm telling you, bro. Just think, people pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to college and learn this.
Yeah.
You know, I've just, they'll spend 4 years getting their bachelor's degree, and then a couple other years getting their master's degree, to learn the trade. You know what I'm saying? I got a cousin staying in Dallas, Texas, and then Brian. And I don't know, you might remember Brian. He was in a group a while back, but he got his own group now. But he used to work for a company in Boston, Massachusetts that teach people how to trade. He told me people were taking out student loans, $50,000 student loans to learn trading. I'm like, what? He said, bro, I'm telling you. He said, D, the same thing you are teaching people, people are paying $50,000 to learn this. I'm like, man, ain't no way. He said, I'm telling you, bro. He worked for I forgot what he said the name of the company was, but they let him go during COVID. They let him go during COVID. And that's when he started his own. $50,000.
That's crazy.
And he was telling me, he
Mm-hmm.
said, bro, that was on the low end. He said people were paying much more than that to learn to trade. Imagine that, $50,000. People taking out student loans, bro, to learn the stuff that I'm showing you. Like, God, dog, that's wild. That is wild. But I mean, it's worth it. It is worth it. $50,000, man. You better be teaching me everything that I need to know. I mean,
Right.
everything for real. That's a good bit. It's worth it though. Cause think about it. You paying 50,000 in the end game, in the long game. If you play in the long game, you're gonna make way more than $50,000, especially once you master it. Dog, you make 50,000 in a week. No lie.
I got some leg work to do, man. I need to get this.
Man, look,
I need to get this.
you,
Like
you,
seriously.
you gonna get it. You're gonna get it, big brother. You just gotta show up in the charts, practice, bro. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour into you what I got. I'm gonna pour into all you guys what I got. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna point to all you guys what I got. I'm gonna teach y'all. Let's see how. See, now remember I told y'all we wait for that breakout at the top, right?
Yes, sir.
There it is. It's happening. I just want to see it push up a little higher. Let me see. Go back to the 30-minute. Go back to the 1 hour. We in our fair
Oh,
value.
one.
Huh?
I'm sorry. I was wondering what you were doing because I know you said you wanted. All right, so you waiting to like push up a little higher. You said.
Yeah, I want to see it push into this
All
zone.
right.
I want to see it push up into
So
that
you want to
zone.
watch that area there?
Yeah, this zone right here.
Yeah.
Look, let me see. 30 minutes. Excuse me, I got a little dry cough I can't seem to get rid of.
Good.
Look, it's 9:19. Let me go to YouTube right quick. I want to see if I got any. I don't see no.
What's up, big bro?
Yo, what's up, Drake? What's happening, big brother?
Man, I'm cooling.
For sure, for sure. Hey, this 8:30 candle be on fire, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I see it. I see it.
Dog.
I'm trying to see. I'm trying to watch it turn around because it looked like it's like at equal, like that candle, not the candle, like it's got equal highs.
Which one?
The one that's forming right now, it's
Okay.
like the one on the left. Yeah, it look like it's like equal.
Man, look, it get inside this zone. It's game on, big brother. Hey, y'all, this my partner Drake that's on with us right now. Man, he a fire trader too.
What's
Um,
up, bro?
Well, what's up? What's up?
Drake, we got we got
9:19.
Anna, we got my partner Caleb, and we got my
Mm.
partner Derek.
What's up, y'all?
They're on as well.
What's up? What's up?
Welcome to another session.
Oh, wait, hold on.
And today we are
What am I doing? What did I just do? All right, anyway. My bad. That was my bad. I don't know what I did.
You recording this, huh, bro?
Yeah, I'm recording, but that's the playback on YouTube. I don't know what I did. It was
Okay.
supposed to be on it's supposed to be muted.
Are we?
All right, anyway. Come on, baby. Push up, push up, push up. Wait, why I got this on buy? It's supposed to be on sell. I'm glad I saw that. Yeah. Guys, excuse the noise in the background again. Hold on, guy, finishing up. All right, we tapping in. We tapping in. Come on. How far we gonna tap into that? Let's see. I'm gonna go down to the minute. Move this down some. I want to see it go about halfway up in there. Okay, so I already got my take profit set. My stop loss. Let me see, 6308. If I go 6308.75. What I want to see now is some kind of rejections happening. So from here, if I get in right now with my stop loss here, that's $275 risk. I can handle that. It's a matter of do I want to. So all the matter of do I want to. All right. Let's see. 262, 250. Let me see something. Change YouTube premium and discount. I won't see it. I really wanted to push up at least to halfway up in here, 6305. I don't know if it will though. I might get in. I'm gonna hop in, y'all. Let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna hop in. Hold up. 1 minute. Not yet. I didn't get in yet. I didn't get in yet. I want a good entry. I want to see like if I go in drawdown, I want to see like maybe a couple ticks and that's it. That's why I'm hesitant to hit the sell button right now. I want the best entry I could get with minimal risk. I'm gonna have to hurry up and do it on the other account too. See how we getting that wick rejection right there? I think we might be good. 237. I think I'm gonna hop in right here. I'm gonna hop in right. I'm gonna hop in right here.
Hey, what's that tool called that you just put?
The what?
The tool that you
Hold
just
on one
put?
second. Oh, Fibonacci?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit. See, that's why you gotta pay attention. I
My
hit buy
bad.
instead of sell. All right, I'm in both. I'm in both. I'm in both trades. Let me 5 minute, 15 minute. Reset my chart view. Now I gotta clean up my chart a little bit. This was my 8:30 candle right here. I'm gonna leave the lines on for it. I'm gonna just put on my risk to reward, my short position tool. Now I'm telling you, if I lose this trade, I'm done till Monday. I'm not trying to. If I lose this trade, I'm done till Monday. I'm not gonna look for another entry. Just letting y'all know. If I lose it, I'm out. Out till Monday.
Lick your wounds,
Yep.
huh?
I gotta be responsible, man. Gotta be a responsible trader. Yeah, Caleb, that was the Fibonacci. You talking about that show that 50%?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
I was
Fibonacci.
trying to ask because you gotta pay for that or
That's all part
you
of
have to use
trading.
the
See right here, fib retracement on the side. See where my
uh-huh.
right here. No, man.
You probably just adjusted to bigger or something because when I try to hit it and do it, I don't know. I gotta let me go back to
Look,
it.
check it out. You
Yeah,
probably
I have it. I just gotta
yeah. Look, check it out. See, you go on it right here. And you
uh-huh.
got a little arrow. You can't see the arrow. It's real tiny.
Yeah.
On it, and this whole little thing will come up, and you look for fib retracement.
Yeah, I knew that. I had it. I see you uh moved it around. I didn't know you had moved it around. I see it now. And I
All
had thought
right,
you clicked something else, that's why.
all right.
Yeah, I used it before and stuff. I know what you're talking about. I just didn't know
Yeah.
what you had done
Hey,
on
big brother.
yours.
Huh?
Hey, I gotta go. I gotta make a couple of moves real quick.
All right. Yeah, that's cool.
But I'm
All
gonna
right.
hit you up later on tonight, man. I need
All
to
right, big
learn as
dog.
much as
I'll
I
talk to
can,
you
bro.
later.
All right.
All right.
All right.
All right, Caleb.
All right.
All right, you guys. I need this to do what it do. Come on, baby. I'm confident in this one. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm looking at the same thing as we speak on
On
my
ES,
yeah.
look up. Silver still running. Boy, silver. Ooh. Gold. That gold trade. Oh no, gold didn't really do nothing. See, we could have took. No, we couldn't. Gold didn't give us what we wanted. We was looking for. What happened with gold? Gold tapped into this fair value gap. This fair value gap right here.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. Hold on. 8:30 candle. See this fair value gap going right there. But
Yeah.
gold, it tapped into this fair value gap and never came back down. All right. And NASDAQ pushing higher. NASDAQ pushing higher. Oh my goodness. NASDAQ. Look like we having, hold on, let me see. All right, so we got divergence on NASDAQ and ES. You see that?
Let me see.
Look, I know Drake see it. From here, we got smart money. We got SMT, smart money. And then here,
That's what that's called.
yeah, this is divergence right here. All right, because they
Mm.
should be running about the same. So I'm looking at, I want to say, hold on, let me see something. Let me pull something up. SMT divergence futures. Um, so we got ES and YM. I mean ES and NQ. I hope NQ is the one that shift down. Look, you see how now NQ and ES normally move the same, but look at what's happening. See from here, from this high to this high, NQ made a higher high. All right, but look at what ES is doing. ES made a lower high.
Lower high. Yep. I see
Yeah.
that.
So looking at it, and the market is bearish. I'm looking at NQ doing a sweep of the liquidity to drop, while ES respect the zone and drop. I
So
hope,
what's that? That
huh?
NQ. That NQ. What's that's gonna
See what NQ
going back to that
doing?
NQ?
See
Yeah, I
what
see
NQ
that.
doing? NQ sweeping these highs right here. All right.
Uh-huh.
And it's probably gonna hit something up here and then start reversing, start coming down.
Oh, it's gonna come down.
I want it to come down. I'm hoping, I'm anticipating it coming down, put it like that.
I
We got
see what you're
divergence.
saying.
Ever,
ES,
did you get it? Did you get in the trade?
yeah, I'm in it.
Okay.
I'm in it. I'm not too, I don't know. I'm a bit,
Let me see.
I don't know. I think it's gonna give me I think it's gonna give us what we want. Um, I'm just looking at this because we got divergence on NQ and ES right now. And I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to think about which one is going to is going to come down. I want to say NQ is the one that's going to come down. I'm hoping NQ come down to follow ES. Hold up. Let me see. ES and NQ, SNT. Let me see. I want this to come down below 6304. All right. All right. So we got positive correlation, more symmetrical. Negative correlation. Boom, boom. So really it's positive correlation. Bearish SMT divergence. All right. I guess All I can do is wait. I'm trying to see which one is. Yeah, normally NQ and ES move the same.
Mm.
They're moving different right now. That's SMT divergence. All right. Hey, Drake, you still on? Excuse me. I know Drake know a little bit more than me about SMT divergence. Like I said, if I lose this trade, I'm gonna be out the market till Monday. I'm not forcing. I'm a I'm not yeah, I'm not gonna force anything. I'm gonna stay out
Mm.
till Monday. I don't know if Drake's still on or not. I know he said he was driving.
No, he's not. It's just me and no, it's not.
Me, you and Caleb already. That's
Yeah.
cool. All right. Whew. Did I get in early? Or come on, NQ, drop for me. Drop. I need you to drop. We do have that divergence. We do have that SMT divergence. Which one is going to do which? That's something I need to brush up on is that divergence, man. All right, so look, NQ, come on, NQ. Normally, they'll start moving in the same direction. Like after, like it'll have divergence kind of like this. Because you can see
Mm.
how it was playing out the same. We got this big old drop, came up, right? Go to
Mm.
ES, big old drop, came up. Drop again, came up. But ES didn't break this high right here. NQ did.
Mm.
NQ did. See that?
Yes, sir.
That's divergence. Something's going on. I'm thinking this is a smart money trap to get people thinking that it's going to go up. I think it's going to start coming down. I think this is called a smart money trap. Let me see.
Can you go to after you search that up, can you go back to the what you want to call it, divergence, the S&P?
That divergence.
Yeah, after you search whatever you gotta search up.
Oh, that's what I was looking at on here.
Oh, all right.
I'm trying to see how like with these two right here. Let me see. Okay, so this was ES coming up. This was NQ coming down. No, this don't even look the same. Or is it? Uptrend. They both came down. Yeah, I gotta brush up on my divergence. NQ, ES. Come on. ES, I need you to drop for me, buddy.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. I didn't even enter it yet though on mine.
I'm in.
I
I
don't know
probably
if that was a bad move by me to not
No,
enter yet,
it's not
or
a bad move by you at all. That was on
all right.
this one was on me
Mm.
because what I should have done was waited for some bearish action.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, me.
Yeah, I should have waited
Because
for some.
I had marked that same zone as you, and then I see it's going up more, pushing up,
Mhm.
and so
What
I
I
just
should have
didn't
done,
enter it though.
what I should have done was waited for it to break this low right here. This is 1 minute. Break this little 1 minute low. I think we gonna be good.
Mm-hmm.
It just gave me a little, and even when I said, yeah, I won't wait for it to hit that 50%. Even if I would have waited for it to hit that 50%, I would have been good.
Which low you said? The one that you just marked right there?
Yeah, right here. What I should have done was wait for it to come down and break this low. If it come down and
Mm-hmm.
break this low right here on the 1 minute, I really think we're going to be good. See, it's trying to push his move. It's trying to make his push. And look, see how it's starting to come down on NQ too? On
Yeah.
NQ,
Yes, sir.
I want to see it break this low, which I'm not trading NQ, but I still want to see it break that low right there.
Yeah.
Come on, ES. Come on, baby. If it break that low, I know we good. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. I think I was just a little bit too early. Not that much too early. Just a little bit too early. And then look, see these wicks up here? I think we good. There's 5 minutes left on that candle. We got these rejection wicks. I think we good. But that's something else I gotta really look into is being able to divergence always did give me trouble. Always. Even when I was trading Forex, divergence gave me trouble. Come on, come on, come on. Come down. Come down, come down. Look, NQ. Look, NQ making that move. NQ making that move. I think we're gonna be
It's
good,
making a
y'all.
move.
Look, come on. I want to see NQ break it. Come on, man. Don't you go up. Don't you go up. Come down.
I believe it's gonna break it. B.
I know, I believe so too. Come on, NQ. I want to see it break and then run. Run for the hills. Come on, ES. Drop for me. ES and NQ. I didn't want to play around.
Yeah.
Excuse me. He's about to break it now. Watch. Watch. The next candle. I got a feeling the next candle gonna break it. This one. Boom. Come on. I want to see it. I want to see it close below it. If it close below it, we good. If it close below it, I know we good. If it close below it, I know we good. 8 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Come on, baby. Yeah. 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 Come on, baby. Look, up 137. Come on, baby. Yeah. 150. Come on. Man, this is what we do, y'all. Come on, man. See, bro, that's why I tell you every day. I thank God for these skills, man. See, being able to recognize stuff like that, I ain't gonna lie,
Yep.
it did kind of have me a little bit nervous because it was close to my stop. But man, recognize that divergence. Come on, dog. But y'all see what that not this y'all first time really getting to see what divergence is. Because
Yeah.
like I said, NQ and ES, they move the same. They move the same. So a move like that, what we saw, that's not normal. That's called divergence. So what happened is with this divergence, it went for a liquidity sweep on NQ. All right. They decided to take some money out of the market. They swept liquidity. It's a smart money trap to make people think it was going to go higher. They swept them and now it's going to come down. All right. That's the whole point of SMT. SMT means smart money trap. And that's what they did. They trapped those buyers. When you can recognize SMT, you're not going to get trapped. All right. But now let's see what happened because we needed to keep on this way down. See, it's pulling back a little bit. Got a little small pullback. It broke and closed below that low that we wanted. That's like a change of character. Remember change of character?
Yeah.
So that's like a change of character. So now I don't want it to go back up. I want it to come down. So let's see if it comes down. All right. So check this out. So
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have to we have to cut it short, cut the Zoom short because I have to go run to Walmart again, like every day. Gonna pick some stuff up. But I will be following along and keeping you guys posted in the group. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Devin.
Oh, you're
Yes, sir.
welcome. Y'all
Appreciate it.
welcome.
Appreciate it so much.
Man, there's no problem at all. Y'all guys are welcome. I don't know if
See.
y'all in. You got in, Anna?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
All right. All right, cool. All right, cool. It's
I'm not going to
pulling,
be scared anymore.
huh?
I'm not going to be scared anymore after what you told me yesterday.
Uh-huh. No, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Look, we
Just
all
keep
have
trying.
those times where we get in a trade and then we immediately go into praying mode, like come on, come on, come on. Or you be coaching it, come on, cheerleading it. But nah, the more you build up your skills, the more confident you're gonna get.
Yeah, I
It
see.
just it comes with time. You're gonna be good. All y'all guys are gonna be good, man. All right. Well, let me go run to
Yes, sir.
Walmart and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later. Like I said, I will be following and posting updates.
Yes, sir.
All
This
right.
video gonna be posted, right? And
Huh?
on YouTube and stuff.
Yeah, it's
I
on.
said
Oh,
this
as soon
video.
as it's this video gonna be on YouTube.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, it's streaming right now. Once we stop, it's gonna do whatever it do, and YouTube will have it.
Yes, sir. Got you.
All right. So you
Yes,
guys
sir.
have a great day. I'm gonna talk to you guys later, and we will continue following in the group.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one as well.
All right, y'all.
Okay, well, have a
All
good
right.
day.
All right.
All
Later.
right, you too.